This is the DINGPAI candle making kit. It's the do-it-yourself candle crafting kit. It comes with the pouring pot, which is stainless steel, and then it has the measurements on the side here and the nice handle so you don't burn yourself in the spout. Great looking, nice product. And then it also came with the 50 candle wicks and 2 3-hold candle wick holders. So this just goes over your jars, and then your wicks kind of come up through here so that they're straight. No one wants an angled wick. And then it comes with these little for the wicks, to hold the wicks. Lots of those guys. And then of course the instructions. So I'm really excited to dive into this and start making some candles. This had great reviews, so I think that it will be a wonderful product to start using.